Imagine a smarter future for water treatment, where technology and AI analytics redefine efficiency. BPC Insight, a groundbreaking turnkey solution that combines advanced hardware with AI-powered software as a service management platform, transforming water treatment by enhancing efficiency, promoting sustainability, and boosting resilience, all while significantly reducing operational costs. From sustainable process quality to minimized energy and raw water consumption, everything is covered in one platform. All plant data sources, manual and online, are consolidated into Pure BI Cloud for AI-powered analysis. If critical data is missing, BPC Auto Sampling and Control System fills the gap effortlessly. The solution is customized to your plant's needs within days, with no management burden or capital investment. Operators receive predictive alerts and on-the-go guidance for sustainable operations. BPC Insight delivers unmatched process know-how tailored to every plant setup. Affordable and tailored to small and medium plants with rapid ROI. BPC Insight Center of Excellence delivers ongoing insights, enabling continuous improvement for your plant. Corporate headquarters gains panoramic visibility, advanced analysis, and holistic optimization across all plants. Maximized productivity, minimized costs, and ESG compliance for your business. BPC Insight, innovation in the smart water trend.